In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save messages in Slack, bookmarks. If you've ever spotted an important message in Slack and thought, I'll come back to that later, this feature is for you. Slack lets you save messages for yourself, almost like creating personal bookmarks. These saved items are private, only you can see them, so they're perfect for reminders, to-dos, or anything you need to keep handy without cluttering a channel. Let's start on desktop. When you see a message you want to keep, hover your mouse over it. A small toolbar appears. Click the Save icon, which looks like a little ribbon bookmark. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press the A key while a message is selected to save it quickly. You'll see a visual confirmation that the item has been saved, and you can move on without breaking your workflow. On mobile, the process is just as simple. Tap the message you want to save to bring up its options, then tap the Save icon. That's it. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, you can capture anything you need to revisit later with a single tap or click. Now, how do you find everything you've saved? Look at your Slack sidebar and click Later. This is your personal hub for saved items. Think of it as a focused workspace where you can review and manage what matters to you. Inside Later, Slack gives you 3 helpful sections to keep things organized: In Progress, Archived, and Completed. As you review your saved items, place each one where it belongs. If it's something you're actively working on or still need to read, keep it in Progress. When you've finished with an item, move it to Completed so it's out of your way but still easy to reference. If something is no longer relevant but you might want to keep a record of it, tuck it into Archived. A quick tip for staying organized: make it a habit to check your Later section once or twice a day. Move items forward as you act on them and clear out anything that's done. This keeps your saved list meaningful and helps you focus on what truly needs attention. That's all there is to it. Save messages on desktop by hovering and clicking the Save icon or pressing A, save on mobile by tapping the message and the Save icon, and manage everything from the Later view using In Progress, Archived, and Completed. With this simple routine, Slack becomes a more effective personal organizer, helping you keep track of what matters without losing momentum.